Hi folks, today we're out here with some Monarch 223 Rem. This is the steel cased 55 grain hollow point polymer coated. On the box it says the velocity through a normal sized rifle is 3271. We're going to shoot it through this 10.5 inch AR upper to see what it does through this. See how much velocity we lose due to the shorter barrel. So let's go ahead and get loaded up and get you down target, down range, and let's get after it. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our numbers on this and we'll see what it did. We had an average of 2618 feet per second. Our highest was 2673. Our lowest was 2570. Our extreme spread was 104 feet per second. Our standard deviation is 41.6. As you can see, you lost approximately 500 to 600 feet per second over what the box said. And that's due to the shorter barrel. So when you're out shooting this stuff, this Monarch, this is approximately how many feet per second you're losing due to the shortened barrel. Well, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and please subscribe.